In order to stay at the top of search engine result pages, you need to stay relevant. And to do that, you need to be answering questions. But how do you know what questions people are asking or how they're asking those questions? My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists here at ProLemon. In this quick video, I'm going to highlight with you how to use Answer the Public by Neil Patel to discover what people are asking. Alright, to jump straight into it. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to this URL right here, answerthepublic.com. Now once you've done that, you see this page that is right in front of you. Okay. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to select a search engine. As you see, we have three options right here, such as Google, YouTube, Bing, and so on. In this example, we'll be using Google, mainly because we want to see how people are searching on Google. As well as YouTube. YouTube helps you if you're a content creator and you want to know how people are answering that certain question that you want to make the video about. Similar with Bing. Alright. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to type in your topic, brand, or product. For example, if you are a seller of Microsoft Word, you want to type in Microsoft Word. In this example, we'll be using the broad name or the broad term, which is Microsoft. So let's do Microsoft. There we go. And what's great about this tool is you can select the location. We'll keep it in South Africa here. And the language, we'll keep it English. What's awesome about this tool is you can search when optimizing for other locations, such as France. You want to know how they search for that specific term or product. Alright, so once you're ready, after you've typed in your keyword or your brand, you want to click on search. Then it will ask you to authenticate. As you've seen, I've skipped to this process already. Alright, now that when you are in, you'll see this screen right here. So as you see, this is the term we put in, the search engine, the location, and the language. Alright, now once you've got that intact, you wanna just look at your key right here. This is very important when we're actually looking at specific questions to see how they rank. So like for example, a search volume is 50k and a cost per click is 54 cents. Search engine variation, as you see, if it's slightly red, that means it's less than 1,600 searches, medium 1,601, and you get the process. If you need a permanent FAQ or queries, you can click on download right here, where you'll be able to export the image. If you have Pro, you can click on add a project and you'll be able to constantly monitor all that happens there, as well as a share button in case you want to share the insights you found. Alright, when we scroll down, this is another key to show you that how highly searched, average, or low searched it is, that specific data. Right here to your right, you see that you'll be able to save this image as an image. Okay, so this is where the meat is. So it groups it into specific such as are, can, how, and so on. Just as a tip, I like to usually have one of each if I'm drafting an FAQ and so on. So if you hover on R, as you see, the one with the darkest orange means that it has the most amount of search volume. Okay, so are Microsoft certificates free, and so on. Alright, so this is a choice that you would make. So if you went for a specific keyword, you have more insights, as you see here. Alright, so you can see what this is really good if you want put in a FAQ on your website and so on. So it also is filtered down to prepositions, as you can see here. Can, for, $1, near, to, with, and without. As you see, if you hover over, you can literally tells you how much the search result is, which is good, so that you know that this keyword or this question that you would like to answer and how much results that you gain. And right here, if you scroll a little lower, you find comparisons. So as you see here, this is Microsoft and activation, Microsoft and Google, and so on. So you can pick, and so you can firmly answer the questions. Alright, so if you scroll a little lower, you see alphabets. So these are all the keywords that are linked starting with that. So this is our main keyword, as you see here, and the letter that follows, such as Microsoft Bing, Microsoft BI, and so on. This is good if you want to just type in or be specific. You want to search for something, like for example on your page, it helps you find that specific thing. Alright, so that was just a quick insight on how you can use Answer the Public to get questions regarding a topic or a keyword that you like to write about or optimize your website for. If you have any questions, feel free to reach to us at prolemon.com. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your SEO questions and tips, and subscribe for more content. Ciao.